Hello and welcome. I'm Manjunath and this is the fifth video from the series 7 awesome websites that you must visit. Okay, so the first website is balldroppings.com. Here the balls will be continuously dropping and all you have to do is click and drag the mouse button to draw the lines, and when the falling ball hits the line, a tune or a music will be created. So you can draw many more lines to create unique music and have some fun. Okay, you can also change the ball drop rate here or the gravity here to change the tone. Okay, you can check this out. Second website is Flame, and this is a website to draw the flame. Okay, see here, all I have to do is click and drag the mouse button to draw the flame patterns. I can adjust the size of the brush and focus, and I can also change the color. Okay, and yeah, if you are interested in drawing, you can check this out. This is the second website. Third website is bubole.com, and this is a website with funny sounds. Okay, I've turned off the sound of my system, you can check it out. Okay, so if you want English, you can select English or Polski. I'm going to select English, and all you have to do is create a monster and let it fight. Okay, and now you have all these options with you. You can change the head of the monster and eyes, body, legs, mouth, color, okay, arms, and click save and let it fight. Okay, so that's the third website. Fourth website is also a music making website, and it is one of my favorite website. Excuse me. And this is the fourth version of the Incredibox, okay, which is the name of the site, and all you have to do is click and drag and drop the I have turned off the music so you can't hear anything. All you have to do is turn off this effect, click, drag and drop these effects on this person, and he'll start playing some cool music with his mouth. And you can also save this and share this, okay, record and share it to the people who are also on this website. Okay, so it's a beautiful website, do check it out. The next website is Infinite Photograph from National Geographic. It's also one of the coolest site. So when you go to the site, you'll be presented with a photo with a yellow color square box, and all you have to do is click on the photograph and it will zoom, click again and it will zoom again. Now you can see there are many more photographs, and click on any photograph which interests you, okay, which grabs your interest, and when you click on the photo again, that will be zoomed. Okay, that particular photo will be zoomed. You can still continue zooming it by clicking further. Okay, so here you can see, okay, I'm going to select this, and that particular photo will be zoomed. Again, if I click again, it will be zoomed. So you get the idea, right? So you can spend some time on it. Sorry. The next website is archive.org, and this has more than 279 billion web pages saved over time. Okay, what I mean to say is, if you want to look how Google looked way back in 2004, you can do that. Okay, all you have to do is enter Google, okay, google.com, and click browse history, which will get you to this website, and all you have to do is select the year of which you want to check out the photo. So this particular website takes the snapshot of the websites, various websites, and it has taken over 57,000 photos over a time from 1998 to 2017. So if I want to check how the Google page looked like in February 11th 2014, all I have to do is click this button and it is going to load. Okay, this is how Google looked in 2004, February 11. Okay. The last website is alpha.wallheaven, and this has one of the largest collection of wallpapers on the internet. Okay, you can check out the latest wallpaper by clicking this, or if you want any particular wallpaper, you can just enter it and you'll get all these photos, and you can download it and have it as your wallpaper. Okay, so these are the 7 websites for you to check out this week. I'll be back with more next week. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to the channel. All the links of these websites are in the description, and thank you for watching.